Hello again, this is Ashil the Song Lab again, and in today's video we're going to learn about counting numbers in Kinyarwanda. Counting numbers is about counting to 1, 2, 3, to 10, and to infinite numbers. So we are going to learn about that now, but we can't learn every number on its own. So we learn like a formula that will teach us how to count the rest of numbers, because it's obvious that we can learn every number because we have infinity numbers. So let's start. First of all, we are going to learn about numbers from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, that's simple numbers that everyone needs to know. So from 1 in Kinyarwanda we say rimwe, like this one here, rimwe. 2 we say kabiri, 3 we say gatatu, 4 we say kane, 5 we say gatanu, 6 we say gatandatu, 7 we say karindwi, 8 we say umunani, 9 means 9, 9 we say icyenda, 10 we say icumi. As you can see, 1 we say rimwe. You can see I have taught you about reading and writing words, but there's combined consonants we haven't got to them, so we will learn about them in the next lesson. But you need to know that the number is counted like this. So 1 is rimwe, 2 kabiri, 3 gatatu, 4 kane, 5 gatanu, 6 gatandatu, 7 karindwi, 8 umunani, 9 icyenda, 10 icumi. These are the basics number in every language that you need to know if you want to know how to count. So let's go to the next. The next we learn about the 10 to 100. 10 is icumi, like we saw in the previous slide. 20 is makumyabiri. Makumyabiri, you can see this is from kabiri. This is makumyabiri from kabiri. We only add this makumyabiri. 30 we say mirongo itatu. This is combined consonant with 3 consonants. We learn about it in the next video. So 40 we say mirongo ine. This is ngwa, na, ga, wa. Mirongo ine. This is also from the 4, which means kane, this ne. 50 is mirongo itanu. 60 it's mirongo itandatu. 70 it's mirongo irindwi. 80 it's mirongo inani. 90 it's mirongo icyenda. 100 we call it ijana. 10 it's icumi. 20 it's makumyabiri. 30 it's mirongo itatu. 40 mirongo ine. 50 mirongo itanu. 60 mirongo itandatu. 70 mirongo irindwi. 80 mirongo inani. 90 mirongo icyenda. 100 it's ijana. So we only learned about this 10, 20, 30, but we haven't learned about 11, 12. So let's see that about here. But 11, we want to say 11, we say chumi. We saw this is chumi. Na, this is a joint. Now we say andi. It's chumi na. This now means andi or andi. Rimwe, this is 1. 10 it's this 10 plus 1 is chumi na rimwe. Rimwe is 1. Chumi na rimwe, which means 11. Chumi na rimwe, it's 10 plus 1. 10 is chumi and 1. Rimwe is 1 plus 1. It's the same to 22, 33, 44. We say makumyabiri is 20. This na it means and makumyabiri kabiri means 2. It's 20 plus 2. 22. Yeah. it's very understandable and it's not complicated. About 33, it's mirongo itatu na gatatu. Mirongo itatu na gatatu, 33. Mirongo itatu na gatatu, we also use this joint na. Mirongo ine na kane is 40 plus 4. Kane it's 4. Kane is 4. Okay. 55, it's mirongo itanu na gatanu. It's 50 plus 5. Na and mirongo itanu, this 50 and 5 it's gatanu. 66 is mirongo itandatu na gatandatu. Gatandatu is 6. Mirongo itandatu is 60. And this joint and say mirongo itandatu na gatandatu. 77 say mirongo irindwi na karindwi. 77. 70 mirongo irindwi plus na, which means and karindwi, which means 7. 88 mirongo inani n'umunani. Mirongo inani it's 80 and umunani it's 8. Mirongo icyenda n'icyenda. Mirongo icyenda n'icyenda. Mirongo icyenda it's 90 and icyenda it's 9 and it's 29. Let's say like if you want to say like 12, you can do this too. You can say cumi na kabiri. Cumi na kabiri. Kabiri is 2 and cumi is this one here 10. Cumi na kabiri is 12. And that's how we do it. If you want to say 25, say makumyabiri na gatanu. If you want to say 25, because 5 is gatanu. And you can keep practicing more about this. So let's continue to the next. Okay, we are going to look about from 100 to 1000. 100 is ijana. 200 is magana abiri. 300 is magana atatu. 400 is magana ane. 500 is magana atanu. I forgot A here. It's magana atanu. 500. 600 is magana atandatu. 700 is magana arindwi. 800 is magana inani. 900 it's magana cyenda. 1000 it's igihumbi. So that's how we count from 100 to 1000. 100 is ijana. 200 it's magana abiri. 300 it's magana atatu. 400 it's magana ane. 500 it's magana atanu. 600 is magana atandatu. 700 it's magana arindwi. 800 it's magana inani. 900 it's magana cyenda. And igihumbi is 1000. I think that's all from 100 to 1000. And we haven't seen about 101, 110. Let's see about that. If one say 101, it's like how we saw 11, 12 or other numbers. We use also joint now in Kinyarwanda. Ijana, which is 100, and 1, which is rimwe. If one say 110, 110, say ijana, and you disjoint, and na cumi it's 10, yeah. Ijana na cumi. 253 it's magana abiri na mirongo itanu na gatatu. It's magana abiri, it's 200, and mirongo itanu is 50, it's 50 na gatatu. Gatatu it's 3. 253. 200 it's magana abiri. You disjoint which join the mirongo itanu, 50, and 3, which is gatatu. It's 200 plus 50 plus 3, which brings us to 153. So 340 magana atatu, it is 340, which is mirongo ine, and is joined, which we can say it means plus. it's ending, I mean. So it's magana atatu plus 40 plus mirongo ine. Magana atatu it's 340, it's mirongo ine. Magana atatu na mirongo ine. 599 it's magana atanu na mirongo icyenda n'icyenda. Isi it's 500, this is magana atanu. 90 it's mirongo icyenda. Icyenda is 9. 716 magana arindwi na cumi na gatandatu. Say magana arindwi is 700 plus 10 plus 6 it's 700, which is magana arindwi, and cumi na gatandatu it's 16. Cumi na gatandatu it's 16. 10 plus 6, yeah, 801. 801 in Kinyarwanda we can say it's magana inani na rimwe. Magana inani it's 801, it's rimwe, add na, yeah, that's it. 923. 900 it's magana cyenda. I forgot na here. Magana cyenda na makumyabiri it's 20 na gatatu 3. Makumyabiri na gatatu is 23, and magana cyenda is 900. 23 is makumyabiri na gatatu. 900 is magana cyenda. So here we use also the joint na and it's the idea that said. So let's say, imagine like a number from, let's say like 155. 155 it will be ijana, which is 155 is mirongo itanu na gatanu. We say ijana na mirongo itanu na gatanu. Yeah, that's how we say it. You can keep practicing more because I gave you basic number and the numbers that follow. So it's your call to start practicing more, and if you have a problem, feel free to ask me through the comments. I will be happy to reply you. Let's go to the next slide, which is from 1000. 1000, I told you it's igihumbi in Kinyarwanda, igihumbi, or 1000 in English. The syntax about numbers is the same. It's saying igihumbi na rimwe, use joint na. 1000, which is this, and 1, which is rimwe. Igihumbi ni ijana. 1000 ijana is 100. 1000 100. It's igihumbi and 100 ijana. Igihumbi ni ijana. We use joint na. It's the basic, you can know. 10,000. This is a little bit different about the ibihumbi icumi. 10,000. We learn about plural and singulars in the next videos. So for now, if one say ibihumbi, it's many igihumbi. It's igihumbi times 10, which will be in a plural. So we add ibihumbi instead of saying igihumbi. Ibihumbi icumi. We don't say na, because if we say na, we'll be meaning 110. That's why we say ibihumbi icumi, and we don't add from 10,000. We don't add this now, because if we add it, it will not be the right number. And 50,000 ibihumbi mirongo itanu. 50,000 mirongo itanu is 50, and thousands is many ibihumbi. Many igihumbi, I mean. 50,000 ibihumbi mirongo itanu. And ibihumbi ijana, 100,000. Ibihumbi ijana, 100,000. Ibihumbi ijana is 100, which means it's many and many igihumbi. So ibihumbi ijana is 100, which is this ijana, and thousands, which is ibihumbi. You see here we start with igihumbi or ibihumbi instead of starting with ijana and igihumbi. So we say 100,000 in English, but in Kinyarwanda say ibihumbi ijana. If we say ijana ibihumbi, it doesn't exist. Yeah, we say ibihumbi ijana. And if you have a problem about this complicated number, feel free to comment down in comment. I will be happy to answer you. ibihumbi ijana na magana atatu na makumyabiri na rimwe. This is a complicated number but easy again. So it's 100,000, this one we saw here, plus 321. That's how we got this number. So it's ibihumbi ijana, which is this one. Now you see we are going to add another number. This one we don't add the joint now, but if we get here we will add it because we are going to add another number. Ibihumbi ijana na magana atatu na makumyabiri na rimwe. This is 321. Magana atatu makumyabiri na rimwe. Yeah, that's it. And for I will give you the list of numbers that you can try to practice from if you like, and tell me what you think about this. If we can add something, if there's something missing, I'll be happy to do that if you give me a suggestion. And thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will see about combined consonants part 2. We saw part 1, and comment down what you want me to talk about the next video. I mean the next video after combined consonants part 2. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.